Knaubb, founder of Audio Professional Hearing Aid Center. We are York County and Central Pennsylvania's leading hearing aid and audiology service. We have been providing services through York and Adams County for 38 years and work with insurance companies and nursing homes and many individuals that have requested information on hearing loss.
And I'm Dr. Ann Welker. I am the audiologist and co-owner of Audio Professional Hearing Aid Center. I am also Paul's daughter, and we are a family-owned local business. And because we are a local and independent audiology and hearing aid office, that gives our patients the ability to really be able to go to someone who they know is tied to the community and who really has a vested interest in providing the best hearing aid service available. We work with all of the major hearing aid manufacturers, and because we are independent, we have the ability to pick and choose which company we feel is going to provide the best improvement and give the best fit for our patients' individual needs and hearing requirements.
If you or a family member has had a hearing problem for several years or has worn a hearing aid, you may find that you're not getting the help that you originally were. This could be because your hearing has changed, or maybe the hearing aid is not functioning as well. We have equipment here. We can diagnose the performance of that hearing aid. We can also review your needs, and you may have something like a buildup of earwax. These are things that we can do to provide improved performance if you are not hearing as you did at one time.
When taking that first step to contact our office to schedule a hearing evaluation, our receptionist will get some information over the phone, your name, your birth date, your family doctor, and that's all information that's important for us to have because of the insurance requirements that we previously talked about. Now, when you have your appointment in our office, you will come in, fill out some paperwork, and that just gives us some background information about you so that when you come in for your hearing evaluation, if there are some questions or if you've had a history of noise exposure or any type of injury or illness to the head or the auditory system, we're able to really get as accurate a picture as possible of what your particular history and background is. Once we would begin with the actual hearing test, you would come into one of our sound booths, and all of our offices use the state-of-the-art sound booth, which is going to allow for a very accurate and professional assessment of your hearing loss without any effect of background noise. During the hearing test, we're going to test both your right and your left ears for both the frequencies or tones, and then also do some speech testing. Once we finish all of our testing, we'll sit down with you and we'll talk about what we found. We'll also make some recommendations. And because of the information that we would have obtained at the beginning of the appointment, we can talk about what's going to really be best for not only your hearing loss, but also your lifestyle.
We are pleased to provide some of the latest technology, and we've also been recognized as a premier hearing aid center for our Widex provider. This is for outstanding service. Our equipment is upgraded on a regular basis, and we work with the latest digital technology and also accessories to work with the hearing aids. For example, Bluetooth. This has been a big advancement and helpful to the younger generation coming along that notices the start of a hearing loss.
At Audio Professional, we provide a full range of hearing aid and audiology services. As the audiologist, I provide all of the diagnostic hearing testing under insurance and Medicare programs. I see patients from age 1 year of age up to older adults, and my oldest patient has been 106 years old. At Audio Professional, we are always looking for a quality professional experience for our patients, and in order to accomplish that, we have the professional equipment, including the diagnostic test booth, the clinical audiometers, hearing aid analyzers, and verification equipment in order to make sure that we are providing our patients with the most professional service and also a very accurate and appropriate fitting for their hearing aids.
Audio Professional has been located in York at 2192 South Queen Street, opposite York Votech. Our other locations are Shrewsbury on Forest Avenue, New Oxford, adjacent to the Brethren Home, and our newest location is at the medical complex adjacent to Gettysburg Hospital.
Hearing loss is the third most common health condition faced by the American population age 60 and above. And because the numbers of hearing loss patients are going to just continue to increase, hearing aid coverage is now being provided by many insurance plans. Under the insurance plans, there may be a certain dollar amount that a person is eligible to receive towards hearing aids and audiology services. In at Audio Professional, as a participating provider with these insurance companies, we are able to fill out the insurance paperwork and submit to the insurance company for the reimbursement so that a person is able to use the coverage that they have towards equipment or hearing aids that they need.
I have been working with hearing aids for over 38 years, and Mr. Harry Novak, our Adams County service person, has over 25 years. We are both board certified and attend regular training programs to keep our credentials at very top level for new improvements in technology.
Thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about Audio Professional Hearing Aid Center and why we've been selected Best of York as a hearing aid provider for the last 6 years. To get more information about Audio Professional, you can go to the information on the screen.